Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Elden Ring in Android. Start by installing a reliable cloud gaming app and creating or signing into an account. Pair a compatible controller and test input mapping in the app settings before launching the game. Adjust stream quality to balance visuals and latency, then enable controller rumble if supported. Keep your device charged and use a phone cooler if sessions heat the hardware. Optimize controls and settings for a smooth mobile Elden Ring experience. Remap buttons to prioritize dodge, guard, and quick items, keeping combos comfortable for long play. Reduce stream resolution when latency spikes to keep responsiveness steady while retaining readable visuals. Turn on HUD scaling for visibility on smaller screens and confirm cloud saves, synchronize after each session to avoid progress loss between devices and sessions. If you're enjoying the tips, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for long gaming sessions. Their snug fit and durability keep your feet happy during intense boss fights, and they wash like champs. I added the link and extra deals in the description, so check those out now. Let's get back to the video. Keep performance steady by managing your device and network before playing Elden Ring on Android. Close unneeded apps and activate Do Not Disturb to stop notifications from interrupting streams. Prefer 5 GHz Wi-Fi or a premium mobile hotspot for lower jitter and consistent bandwidth during gameplay. Use a phone stand and charger for long sessions, and update controller firmware to reduce disconnects and button lag while you explore challenging areas.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.